Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, thank you for visiting my channel. Today, let's talk about my beans. We will harvest my beans and cook it. I will show you a simple, nutritious, and delicious recipe all from my garden. I planted the seedlings last April 6, hoping that the weather will continue to get warm, but it did not. There was a time that it was still cold, so my beans did not grow well, but now it is officially summer in our place, so as you can see, it is now fully grown and bearing fruit. One of my favorite vegetables are beans. It is because it is delicious and nutritious. Beans are the best plant source of protein. Beans have the highest protein content of any plant food. It is low in calories, cholesterol-free, fat-free, and generally high in fiber. Beans are also loaded with complex carbohydrates that gives us energy. They are also full of B vitamins, zinc, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and iron. All the parts of beans are edible. You can eat the young leaves and stems, the fruit and the seeds. It is easy to grow when the weather is right. Beans likes warm weather. It cannot tolerate frost. It is best to plant during summer. Now let's cook in a simple and easy way. My recipe today is stir-fry beans. The first thing to do is to cut the beans into bite size. It is about 3 inches long. Next, wash the beans to remove the dirt and dust that sticks on the skin. Next, prepare the ingredients and the materials that you will need for the cooking. The ingredients are soy sauce, oil, cooking wine, and garlic. Turn on the stove to a medium heat. Warm the pot before putting the oil. Once the oil is hot, put the garlic into the pot and let it cook until it's light brown. Once the garlic is already light brown, put the beans into the pot and cook. Stir it often so it will cook evenly. Once the beans are slightly soft, add the soy sauce and cooking wine. If you notice that it's getting dry and burning, add a little bit of water. And here we go! We have now a stir-fried beans. You can eat it with white rice. If you think you wanted to add a seafood flavor, you can add a cooked seafood mix. And now you can have a yummy meal. Delicious, nutritious, and easy to make. It smells good too. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed with my YouTube channel, press the subscribe and notification button to be notified with my upcoming videos. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Good Channel. Thank you.